Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a scented candle with a carousel lid that I bought. When I was a little girl, I used to have a little brass candle holder. It had four little taper candles that would spin the carousel around once the candles were lit. And I've never ever seen them again. And the other day, I was in Winners and I spotted this. So I'm going to hopefully have it work similar to the way that the one that I used to have as a child. So this is a sandalwood and amber candle, and it's a 2-wick. And this comes with a little brass holder with a little place to put this little, almost like a little spike. And that sits over here, right above. And that's the little carousel top. I've never seen these available for sale, so I was quite excited to see it, to find one. Then it's got these little tiny deer that just sit on here. They've got a little groove, a little hook that hook onto here, and there's 4 of these. I'm really hoping this works. So that's what it looks like all set up. And hopefully the light from the candle will spin these around. So I'm just going to set that down for now and move that box. And I'm just going to move this so I can light the candle. So the candle is now lit. And we'll see if the flame from the candle, the heat should start to spin that around. I'm actually going to stop it so that you can see it going by itself. There you have it. I bought this one in Edmonton, and I'm really hoping that they have some left. They would have made a beautiful gift, but I only seen one. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Subscribe. Maybe this brings back a childhood memory for you. Hit like if you like this, and share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching.